physically. I can't be shut up by the touch of a button. I don't understand you. I feel as though you don't want to know me. I fear that I believe that this is the truth. I don't understand you. When you press that button, I guess I'm thinking, feeling, believing, and wanting to say, I don't know how you feel. I can't know how you feel. I don't want you to change your ideas. I just want you to respect mine. I feel. I guess I'm thinking, feeling, believing, and wanting.